The purpose of this test is to measure how long the sensor module can run without solar charging. The test compares a module powered by supercapacitor with a module powered by two NiMH batteries under the same operating conditions. This test was fundamental to understand if the module is able to power itself autonomously by alternating daytime solar charges and nighttime discharges, and to understand which storage system is best to use in the various environmental and operating conditions. The test bench consists of a small network composed by two sensors. The module to be tested has been set as address 2 in order to function completely: sensor reading, reception from sensor 1, and transmission to gateway. The digital temperature sensor type 3 is connected to the modules to be tested. During the test, the module power supply voltage is acquired by the Picoscope 2204A oscilloscope and stored by the Picolog application. This graph shows measurements of the supply voltage to the module as a function of time. The test started at 10 o'clock on Monday 19th of June. The initial voltage was 2.63 volts. The module stopped working at 11 o'clock on June 20th after 25 hours of uninterrupted operation. The final voltage was approximately 1.42 volts. The test started at 15:25 on Friday 1st of July. The initial voltage was 2.72 volts. The module stopped working at 18 on July 19th after 19 days and 2 hours of uninterrupted operation. The final voltage was approximately 2 volts. The 400 farad supercapacitor used can withstand 300,000 charge and discharge cycles. Its life expectancy is over 10 years. A nickel metal hydrate battery, 3,000 cycles, with a life expectancy that can vary from 2 to 5 years. Therefore, the supercapacitor is certainly a more ecological choice that requires less routine maintenance to replace it. On the other hand, nickel metal hydrate rechargeable batteries are much cheaper and easier to find on the market. As measured during the test, the discharge time of the supercapacitor is 25 hours. It is still a good result, considering that charging from the solar panel is very fast, even in cloudy weather. But it may not be enough with high consumption sensors. The discharge autonomy of nickel metal hydrate batteries is instead significantly higher. They can last for 19 days without being recharged. So, the Green Detect project offers two options. Module powered by supercapacitor for low consumption sensors and for installation in favorable climatic zones. Module powered by nickel metal hydrate batteries for high consumption sensors and installation in less favorable climatic areas. Support Green Detect project. Subscribe.